Hey guys, 9mm Sarge coming at you with another quick video. Kind of got a little different surroundings, a little different setting here this afternoon. I decided I'd step outside and do a little video. Got a little something special. I've been kind of keeping this thing under wraps a little bit. But I decided, you know what? It's time to bring out my holy grail, Glock 19. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. That's Miss Annie over there. She's barking. She's out here having a good time. So I'm not going to mess with her. But I'm going to let her bark in the background, so I apologize for that. But she likes to be known and make herself known. So, what I got for you here is my Gen 5 Glock 19 MOS. I've shown this thing a couple times. Did some upgrades here and there. Kind of wanted to get it set up kind of how I wanted it, my Glock build. And I pretty much got everything done that I wanted to get done on this thing. But there was still something missing. So I called up my buddy Brandon at One Tango LLC, one of the best in this area at what he does. And I asked him, man, can you hook me up? Can you give me something special here? So, here is what my man Brandon did for me. This is the Gen 5 Glock 19 MOS in jungle green with a starburst pattern laser stipple job. My friend hooked this thing up, I think. This is my build, the Gen 5 19 MOS. Now before I showed you, I got a Surefire X300 or 300X Ultra. I put the S3F barrel, threaded barrel, the Venom from Vortex. I put a Zev Technologies flat face trigger on this thing. And finally, I got some Trijicon suppressor height sights on this bad boy. But this, my friends, is the build. I'm very happy with this thing. I'm afraid to take this thing outside of the home. I'm afraid to put it in a holster. He did that good of a job, I think, on this. Of course, this is my opinion. You may not like this, but I'm loving this jungle green with that starburst pattern laser stipple. So that's it, folks. Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS in jungle green with a starburst pattern. I'm loving it. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you coming to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to the 9mm Sarge channel. Leave me some comments, man. What do you think about what he did for me at One Tango LLC? And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.